Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple wallpaper. So first go to Ibsx Paint or whatever drawing app you use and just color the whole entire page, whatever color you like, and using the bucket. So next what you're going to do is you're going to use the eraser and you're just going to dap tiny little circle things. So you want to have them super light and not really doing anything. You just want to make sure that they're all like super different sizes. Like they can all be like different sizes. Even if you all make them the same, that will be perfectly fine. So yeah. So next go to settings to make sure you have it. Well, I'm sure all of you guys have it on your iPad, but you should already have it on there. And then you're going to go to change new wallpaper just to make sure that you know how to do it. And next take a quick screenshot of it and just crop it to the size you are satisfied with. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your settings and you're going to change it using the wallpaper. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next vid. Bye.